Today, guys, we are going to be showing you how I really play catch with my dog, and there he goes zooming around. Oh my god, that is so cool. There he goes with his 4 legs and tail. Floppy ears. Okay. There you go. Are you gonna give me the ball, boy? Okay, you coming over? Okay, good. He's coming over. Alright. Go get it. Good doggy. So basically, right now I just threw it. Then my dog's going to get it on something called chuck it, where you put a ball in there and then you throw it. At one position, you would actually stop, and then the ball would go flying out because of the stop. Okay, so I'm racing him now. 3, 2, 1. Hopefully, go. Because I'm really slow compared to him. I really am slow. Oh, there he is, coming back around. This is really cool. Just me win? Wait, did I win? I really don't know. Okay. I'm ready again. Me versus my dog. And oh my god. He is beating me. Oh my god. There he is. He beat me. Did he? I don't know. Comment down below, who do you think won? Bye.